today is how to create a template and then how to use that template in your project. For this project on Hamlet, you guys are going to be using really one template for everybody, and then we're going to be combining those pages into that one document that we're going to reproduce over and over again. Okay? So in order to do this, we're going to go up to the File menu, and we're going to select New. That's going to bring up this window, which you guys are probably familiar with. What I'm looking for specifically is we're creating a new HTML template. We're going to choose None for Layout. Okay, click on Create. And then from here, we need to decide on our layout. You'll do this in a group activity at one point or another. I'm going to click on the Insert menu, and I'm going to insert a table. The first table is going to be a real basic table, basically one row and one column. The reason for that is that I have to decide on what I want for a header information. I'll hit Return once, go up to Insert Table again, and this time I'm going to do one row and two columns. Notice 100% zero thickness. I don't want the table cells showing up on the screen. So there's my basic table. I'm going to move this over to about 200 or so, and that's 200 pixels on this screen. This is where my navigation will go. You could choose to have your navigation go across the top of the page. Okay? I'm just going to simply call this navigation. Call this Act 1, Act 2, Act 3, Act 4, Act 5. Okay? And then on this side, well, actually, on this side here, I'm going to place in here an edit region. So I'm going to go up to Insert, and I'm going to select Template Object. Now, this is real important that you have this available to you, that you select that right there. I'm going to do that again because that kind of closed on me. Insert, Template Object, and from here, I'm going to select one of these items. All I really want is an editable region. Now, edit region number 3, I could give this any name I want, but it doesn't really matter. I'm just going to call it Edit Region. Zoom back out. And then I'm basically done with this. File, Save, or Save As. And then I'm going to call this PJT Temp, Project Template. It's going to go inside of my Templates folder. Click on Save. It's now saved. Now the big deal comes when I go New, and I want to create an HTML document. Over on this side, I've got some choices. I can do Page from Template, which is what I'm looking for. Click on this, and Review 2 happens to be the site that I'm working on. There's my project template right there. There's a little screenshot or a little snapshot of what it looks like. Okay, when I click on Create, I now have a web page. I can't do anything over here, which is good. And when I'm over here, I can add my content. All right, and that's really the end of it. I will have to save it. HA21 or something like that, whatever my Hamlet Act 2 Scene 1 is. Click on Save, and then it's going to go in that area there.